Hi everyone! Want to know how to make the easiest potato wedges in the world? You don't even have to peel these babies. As you can see here, I have just washed mine. I'm chopping them in half, and then each half I'm cutting those into 4 sections, and look at these cute little wedge shapes that they make. Aren't they beautiful? Now I'm just going to stick them in a bowl, cut the rest of the potatoes, and then we're going to add a few delicious spices and roast them up. I'm going to show you exactly what I add in a second. Let's just speed up these potatoes and move it along. Right, so they're washed and they're chopped. Now we're going to add a little bit of olive oil and a few of my favorite spices. Before you do this part though, make sure you've preheated your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, because once you finish this part of the job, they're ready to go in and start cooking. So we're going to start with some olive oil, just drizzle it on top of your potatoes, and then once that's done, to move on to seasoning, you're going to go in with some salt, and then after the salt, put on some cracked black pepper. Now we're going to add a little bit of garlic powder, just eyeball it, you don't need to measure it. Some cumin goes in next, and then I'm going to add a little bit of smoked paprika. This gives it a beautiful flavour. The last thing I want to add here is some curry powder. I take a little teaspoon for this one because I don't want to tip it all in there. A little goes a long way with this part. And now my favourite part, you just put your hands in and you smush it all around together. Give it a really, really good mix up. Don't worry about getting your hands dirty. You can wash them afterwards. The best part about cooking is enjoying the process. These little guys are ready to go into the oven now, so we're going to get them on an oven tray. If you want to save a little money on baking paper and foil, or you don't want to use extra oil on your tray, use a silicone mat. I just lay all of my wedges on here one by one with a little bit of space in between them to let that hot air circulate around each piece. And that's it, they're ready to go in the oven. Keep them in there for about 45 minutes and then you will be left with the most beautiful, crunchy, delicious potato wedges you've ever eaten. Look at how pretty they are when they come out, and I can tell you they taste amazing. That's today's easy recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up button and please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already so that you don't miss any new videos, and let me know in the comments what would you like to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!